We're at a remnant of history. Rainforest Cafe here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Hey, Matt. For a kid's meal, it's $15. And a plate of starters is about $32. They have monkeys. What'd you get, Matt?
The french fries just did accidentally.
Try french fry. Tell me how it is.
But the pizza is blue. Look, it's kind of good. But we have to see.
And this is the appetizer platter. Oh, yep. Okay, say grace.
No. Someone say
Come on,
the
Matt,
grace,
say it.
please.
It's dinner, you gotta say it. Come on.
Okay.
What was that, buddy?
I'm not going to Niagara Falls today. It was really long and I don't want to get this.
Pearls before swine, man. Look, I mean, we're in the rainforest, Matt, for
Guys,
Christ's
I
sake.
have to tell you this.
Yes?
I have to tell you some not good friends at games. There were only two.
Okay.
There are
Good night. There's the world. Oh, there's the other gorilla, buddy. And the frog. Parrot. Okay. That's neat. Oh, there's the giant butterfly, buddy. And then, of course, you exit into the gift shop.
To macaws, Amazons, and toucans. The rainforests of Australia and New Zealand are home to lories and cockatoos.